all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Man, we got something really cool on the channel for you today. Detroit Grooming is back with the 313 beard oil. Now I know. You hear the 313 and you're thinking the same thing I am, right?
Now everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands on the fire on me. Everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands up. Look. Now while he stands up, notice that this man did not have his hands up.
Alright, B-Rabbit, you got me. I'm in the 360, but it doesn't sound as cool as the 313. Alright, guys, I couldn't resist doing that. Every single time I go, hey, I'm going to put on the 313, that's all I've got in my, the back of my head that... But still. If you guys are familiar with Detroit Grooming, that's cool. Skip ahead about a minute and a half, because I really love talking about the company before I get into the meat and potatoes, everything about the review. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with Detroit Grooming, it's really okay, alright? I'll be honest, I stumbled on them a while ago completely by accident. I think I've only reviewed one of their products so far, and take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. I seriously think the only one I've ever brought was Traverse City Beard Butter. That was my original exposure to them, and that's what made me love this company. Alright, you can find them at www.detroitgrooming.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave that down below in the description box. One-click, easy access. They are proudly made in the USA, and I believe they're still out of Ferndale, Michigan. I know they moved to another shop or something like that. So if it's not in the same town, Detroit Mike, I'm sorry, okay? Now, like I said, Detroit Mike, he is the boss, he is the CEO, and he's the guy calling the shots over there. He had a partner, I believe, when he first started, but I think it's only him right now. Excuse me. Don't you love kids that just want to yell and scream and have fights on the first day of distance learning? Yay! Okay, like I was saying, I think Mike had a partner when he started, but he's the boss man right now, and he always pays tribute to his partner and his stuff. I love how he just credits, the background and everything with Detroit Grooming, and he still honors that to this day. Now, they started about November 2013, and I love how Mike describes it. He's like, the idea basically came to him when he was sitting on a front porch, making out a list of businesses to try. I mean, I think he even put it where he had, like, an app that would lend you, like, a coffee swipe thing or whatever. And he's like, yeah, it went okay, but it kind of like, meh. And he's like, the most out-of-the-box radical thinking is the one that just blew up and made him seriously freaking famous. So yeah, that's kind of funny, right? So they do have some great core values of their company. I really like talking about those. Compassion, collaboration, innovation, passion, and dedication. And I love their core focus of their company to create a globally recognized brand of products that provide great experiences. And I gotta tell you, honestly, all my experiences with Detroit Grooming have been fun. I've just started using their shampoo and some conditioners and some other stuff. I'm really expanding my knowledge base on Detroit's products. Everything I've tried has been great. I'll be honest, I got 4 oils, 4 butters, 1 conditioner, 1 shampoo. So you're going to see all those here on the channel here pretty soon. Now, I do like the fact that it comes in a really weird rectangular kind of bottle. And I'll be honest, there's no eyedropper top or orifice reducer in there. And I did ask Mike about it when he was on a live feed recently. See, there you go. No orifice reducer. I asked him about it. I'm like, what's up with that? And he was really honest about trying to get the little orifice reducers in there, then trying to tap it out. And he's like, I always felt crazy, like my bottle was going everywhere. I thought I was going to lose it. And he's like, with the eyedropper tops, they just become a problem after a while. He's like, so I just said heck with it. Saved the company a couple pennies and just went with that. So I think that's cool that what turned into the easiest way to get it out is also saving the company money. Now, like I said, little rectangular bottle. On their web store, it's going to run you $22.95. And over on Amazon, because it is Prime eligible, I did check, and this price is current as of September 2nd, 2020. It's $22.95. So you've got 2 great ways to get it, and Detroit Grooming gets paid both ways. Now, the scent on this is really cool. It's toasted vanilla and amber. It just has this great... It's really hard to put it. It's just like a campfire-y toasted marshmallow, woodsy kind of... That's what I get out of it. It's not overpowering. It's not overbearing. It's just... It's really sweetness in a bottle. That's the easiest way to put it, is sweetness in a bottle. It's about a medium scent strength. It's not on the, and it's gone, and it's not going to be like some other companies where you put it in and 24 hours later you're still trying to scrub it out of your beard. I got a good about 6 to 8 hours out of it. Now, if you're curious about the ingredients on this thing, here, let's see if we can do it this way. You can take a freeze frame there, or it's sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, sunflower seed oil, safflower seed oil, rice bran oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, wheat germ oil, fragrance, and essential blends. Kind of cool, right? Alright, now, if you're unfamiliar with how to use it, that's totally cool. I love to cover these things, you know, when I do the reviews. I will tell you, it goes in a little heavier in your beard than the beginning, but it's not like weighing your beard down. It really seems to lighten up over time, and it really made my beard feel incredible. It's not baby butt smooth, but it was baby butt borderline. It really, truly was. Now, to use it, I tell this to everybody. It's a running joke I'm doing recently. You just shake, 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 shake that bottle. Nick, that's for you. But yeah, you just shake it up in case any of the stuff may have separated with sitting around. I know it's kind of hard to sit in there and see, but you see the little bubbles going? That's pretty cool. Alright, so after you shake that up, and like I said, there's no orifice reducer or an eyedropper towel. You're going to have to carefully pour the amount you need into your hand. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it and doing that little wine bottle twist at the end and not have oil spill everywhere. So after you get that amount you think you need in there, and everybody uses a different amount, okay? We really do. I use about the size of a quarter. Now, you're going to have to figure out what works for you. So basically, you get it in your hand, rub your hands together, warm it up, work it through your beard all the way down to your skin, and groom it out. It is that simple. Now, if you think you've used too much and you're a beginner, here's a quick way to tell. Just do this about a half hour after you apply it. If you come up with an oil slick, you've used way too much. Another great way to tell is you look at your t-shirts or your shirts down here after you've been wearing oil for a while. If you have that big old sweat stain that never comes out, you've used way too much product. Now the uses for beard oil, well, they got 3 great ones, right? I've already touched on one. It really softens up your beard. Let's get honest. Who seriously wants to have your better half curl up with you and they're like, ooh, cactus, ooh. You're going to be like, whoo, denied. No, you want them curling up close like, yeah. Makes things a lot easier. Number 2 is it is a great nutritional supplement for your skin underneath your beard. I know. Beard oil for your skin, not your beard. Actually, it kind of works great for both, all right? Your body can only produce so many healthy oils, like sebum, in order to keep your beard grown out long, luscious, beautiful, great, strong. Seriously. I know we're kind of still on COVID times and lockdowns are getting a little bit less restricted. Go a weekend without showering. Your head hair is going to get greasy as all get out, and your beard's going to dry out and be prickly, nasty, just bird's nesty, and you're going to want to rip it out. So beard oil is going to help prevent that. And the third great use is that scent profile. Oh man, when you find one that works for you, it gives you that little psychological edge. You're like, ooh, I got this day. I kicked this day in the butt. Man, I got this. And if your better half likes it too, brown chicken, brown cow. Yeah. I know, bad white boy stuff, but still, I don't care. It's my video. Meh. Oh, I'm going to get crap for that one, but I don't care. So there's your great uses and there's your great effects for it. Now, here's my favorite part of the video, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Have you used Detroit Grooming? Have you used the 313? Have you had successes? Have you had failures? I'd love to know. Because I'll be honest, everything I've tried from Detroit so far, I really, truly love. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I want to say thank you for, your view time and watching this video.
Cry.
What, baby?
I don't want to cry.
All right, going downstairs. And for those of you familiar with my videos, that was the cuteness factor. But still. Whew, okay. Like I said, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very grateful you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why. Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? I'd love to know what feedback you may have. Please make it constructive, because you never know what you might suggest that could change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done that, take a look right there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that little bell icon, once you click on it and say all the little whatevers, it's going to let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here, somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. Now, here we go for the thumbnail. Guys, that's my quick look at Detroit Grooming's 313 Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching the insanity that is this video, my videos at times. And like I say in every single video, I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're being safe today.